Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rings map on the Rocket League. So first of all, in order to have it, you need to install BakkesMod. So to do this, you need to go to BakkesMod, BakkesPlugins.com, and here you can click download BakkesMod. After that, you will have a zip file like this. What you need to do is go ahead and click extract all and extract it to your desktop, for example. But basically extract it separately. So you would have this separate folder. After that, just double click on BakkesMod setup and basically install it. Here you're gonna click yes, and after that you will need to install it. Now once you will have BakkesMod here, if you double click on it, you will see that it's up to date. And it's now waiting for us to load up Rocket League. But first of all, we need to open BakkesMod folder here. And here on BakkesMod folder, you want to create a new folder, which is called Workshop Maps. So just go ahead, right click here and create a new folder and name it Workshop Maps or however you like it. Now, after that, you want to open up this folder and you want to copy this path. We will need it later. So after you've done that, you can now go ahead and launch Rocket League. Just click launch, and you also, in the meantime, you want to go ahead BakkesMod plugins and go ahead and install Workshop Map Loader. So you're gonna click on here. Now once we are here on Rocket League, you want to click F2 or FNF2, however it works for you. And now BakkesMod settings will pop up. After that, here on plugins, you want to install Workshop Map Loader. So all you need to do is go to the website and click install BakkesMod and then open plugin installer right there. After that, it will install and you will find it here. So once you will find it here, you want to open plugin window, and here you will see the path. So you want to paste the path we just copied from the directory. So this one, copy it. After you have copied it, you want to enter /, as you can see here. Just enter / and then click save path. Now after that, you want to go ahead and go back here, search for workshop. And here you can search for rings, and now 2 pages will pop up, so you can choose any rings you like. So for example, let's go to the page number 2 and see for the rings. So for example, let's choose lava rings. Now we want to download the map. Click on it, click yes. Now it will download. After that, you can go back to map loader, refresh the maps, and you will see here your rings. You can go ahead and choose it. And now it will load up the game, and now you will see those lava rings. So here you have it now. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.